Hello, flower fans! Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Narcissus, and I'm about to show you 6 extraordinary varieties that might completely change how you think about daffodils. If you've ever wondered why these flowers command such attention in spring gardens, you're in for a treat. Would you believe that some of these varieties look so different from traditional daffodils that even experienced gardeners are often scratching their heads wondering what these beauties are? From ruffled petals that resemble delicate silk to blooms that carry the sweetest fragrance, these aren't your ordinary daffodils. Now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to discover the extraordinary side of floral farming. Let's start our tour with Erlicheer. It's a variety that's truly special as it's one of the earliest to arrive, setting the tone that spring is upon us. These creamy white flowers are doubled and they cluster together like tiny bouquets on each stem. The fragrance? Simply intoxicating. Next up is White Lion. These fully double flowers remind me of little pom-poms dancing in the spring breeze. Their ivory white petals with pale yellow segments make them incredibly versatile. Our next stop is Angel Fire. Part of the collar daffodil group, these narcissus have what's called a split corona. See how the middle has an open face and not a traditional cone? My word, these flowers look hand-painted. Nature's artistry at its finest. Now let me show you Delnashaugh. These romantic double flowers layer white and peachy pink petals like a ballet dancer's tutu. They're absolute showstoppers in spring arrangements.
Quick, come over here and check out art design. I'm not so sure nature could have shoved any more petals into the center of this beauty. Look at this buttercream yellow mixed with sunshine. She's just amazing.
Woo! Let's save the best for last. We have Ice King, and this variety absolutely lives up to its majestic name. Now, please don't ever ask me who my favorite child is, but if you were to ask me which Narcissus is my favorite, I'd really have to say Ice King. These pure white beauties just simply stop visitors in their tracks. The contrast between the pristine white petals and the ruffled cup creates such drama in the garden. Now watch how these fully doubled flowers catch the light with their ivory white outer petals and creamy center. Head Farmette Secret. Here's something most growers won't tell you. We like to plant our Ice King bulbs about 8 inches deep, slightly deeper than other Narcissus. And this simple trick supports their heavier blooms and gives you a longer flowering period. The awesome part about Narcissus is that they can naturalize here in Zone 9B, meaning they can adapt to our temperatures and not necessarily need the amount of chill time like, say, traditional tulips. And they will come back year to year and make even more Narcissus babies. If you've enjoyed discovering these extraordinary Narcissus varieties, you'll love exploring our complete collection of flower tours here at Turbow Farms. Simply click the playlist link right here to continue your journey through our specialty cut flower garden. And since you're already here learning about these amazing flowers, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our seasonal growing guides and farm adventures. Until next time, flower fans, flowers or bust.